case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the Vermont Supreme Court heard the case of Prescott v. Smits, focusing on the concept that entering an agreement to pay annual rent creates a year-to-year tenancy, even if the agreement itself is not legally valid. The dispute involved a lease agreement for a Vermont farm between plaintiffs Richard and Nancy Prescott and defendants Dirk and Kay Smits. Over 2 months, the parties negotiated a 3-year lease with an annual rent of $14,400 to be paid in monthly installments. The defendants took possession of the farm and paid rent during the summer months but objected to certain lease provisions and never signed the agreement. The court determined that a year-to-year tenancy was created due to the agreement on annual rent and the defendants' occupation of the property. The plaintiffs sued for non-payment of rent after the defendants vacated the farm and harvested their crops without notice. Meanwhile, the defendants filed a counterclaim for damages, citing the plaintiffs' failure to provide a farm in reasonably good condition. Ultimately, the court held the defendants liable for 1 year's rent minus payments made and ruled that they were entitled to a 6-month notice before termination. The defendants' counterclaim for damages failed, as the cause was not established. While the lower court's ruling on the notice period was incorrect, the final findings were upheld based on credible evidence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.